Hello, let me show you how you can connect Redmi Buds 6 with two devices simultaneously. So first of all, you will have to start by connecting this device into your first device. So you are already connected, probably you are already connected with your first device, and you have to be connected with Xiaomi earbuds application. This is the essential. So now you have to go into additional settings and you have to turn on dual connection. And the next step, you will have to input both earbuds inside this charging case, the left one and the right one, and you have to find this button. Let me just catch focus on it. Here is a button, so we have to just click and hold it and wait until this indicator lights up. It's just blinking, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. So now we can release, and on our second device we have to go into boot settings and click to pair new device. And here we can find Redmi Buds 6, so we have to connect them, accept pairing, and as you can see right now we are connected here. And if you want to quickly switch into this second device, then you can simply click on the pairing list, and as you can see now we are just connected with two devices at the same time, right here and right here. So if you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.